Hello world, my name is Grace. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am sharing the 5 pocket-sized everyday essentials that I can't live without and that you have probably never heard of. Today's video is a little bit different than my usual lock and hair related content, so if you're here for the locks and you haven't seen my most recent video, you can check that out here. I've made some other videos on my channel about traveling with just a carry-on or even a personal item, and I'm always on the lookout for things that are practical and save space. For me, it's totally pointless to have a graveyard of gear that I only use on a few occasions. So all the items that I'm going to show you today are ones that I use all day, every single day, whether I'm in my house, up the street at the park, or traveling in other countries. People are always asking me for more information about these items, so I hope that this video can serve as both inspiration about what I keep in my bag on a daily basis and serve as a jumping off point if you think that any of these would work for you. First up is this wallet. It is made by Nomatic and I think it's called the Stretch Wallet. The funny thing about it is it's actually the biggest wallet that I have ever owned, but by all accounts it is incredibly small. It's smaller than a deck of cards. It's made with a really tight elastic material that can flex and stretch to accommodate cards, even cash, a key, a coin, and this small little pocket. And I love that it's super low profile. It virtually disappears in my purse or my pocket wherever I decide to carry. The only real world scenario I've run into where this wallet hasn't been totally perfect is when I travel in Europe and I need to use more coins. But when I do that, I just keep a coin purse with me. If I need to briefly put more cards in here, like a Metro card, a library card, or gift cards, and it gets a little stretched out from more cards, I just throw it in the wash and it shrinks right back up. Next up is my Pocket Tripod Pro, which I actually keep in my wallet. It looks just like a credit card. It's the same size and shape, but it folds out and it can adjust into a phone tripod. Now, I cannot recommend this product enough. I have used this literally every single day I've had it. I've carried it with me for 3 years now, and it is truly the best tripod that I own because it is the one that I have on me all the time. I use it for taking photos, recording videos, but mostly I use this for my portable office setup. I put my phone in here and then I connect my phone to my Bluetooth keyboard and I can work anywhere in the world. I have found this product to be super user-friendly. It came with a little guide to see what size insert you need for the tripod, and it even came with extra inserts in case you change your phone or change the case that you have. I'm actually on my second phone and case with this product, and all I did was swap out these little inserts for a larger size. I have put a lot of people onto this product, including some quite famous people on Instagram who have messaged me to ask me for more information about this. So while none of these products that I'm talking about today are sponsored, perhaps Pocket Tripod Pro should think about sponsoring me because I have put so many people onto this piece of gear. All right, next up is this reusable flatware set. Again, it is roughly the size of a credit card, and this is always in my purse, my pocket, my lunchbox. It comes with me every single day, and I use it every single day. There's a fork and a spoon. They snap out. They're made of stainless steel, not plastic, and I honestly didn't even know that a product like this existed until I found it. I've carried this product with me for 3 years now, and I much prefer it to the old wooden set that I was using. It's much more slim, so much more low profile, and it's a lot easier to clean too. All right, next up is my most recent tiny purchase, and I'm actually using it to film this video right now, so let me roll some B-roll. This is the MOFT Origami tripod, and I bought this after seeing an ad for it on Instagram. I thought that this tripod might come in handy and be better for content creation, and I have used it every single day since purchasing it. It connects right to the back of the phone like a pop socket, and I haven't taken it off since I put it on. I use it every single day for filming, taking photos, and creating content, and it does work better for this because it offers a few more angles and it also allows the phone to sit up higher, which I appreciate. It's not going to replace my Pocket Tripod Pro for my remote work setup, but I have been using it so far for content creation. I haven't noticed it being too bulky in my pocket or my purse, but it definitely does add a little bit of width and some weight to my phone. All right, lastly, this one is definitely a bit retro, but this is my 2007 iPod Nano, still in the original case that I made for it all those years ago. I have 3 iPod Nanos, but this is my ride or die, my OG, and this is the one that I use the most. The battery life has definitely taken a little bit of a hit, but I love using this because it is so small small, and I love that it's so light and I can have my music or my audiobooks and not be connected to my phone. That's it. Those are the 5 teeny tiny things that come with me everywhere I go. I hope that you found this video useful and inspiring, and if you have used any of these products, if you've heard of them, if you have anything to recommend, I would love to hear from you in the comments. If you're new here or you found this video because you're into minimalist travel or gear, I do have a couple other videos that you might like on my channel, and I will be making more content like this going forward, so feel free to stick around. And as always, thank you very much for spending your time with me in my corner of the internet, and wherever you are, whenever you are watching this, I hope that you have a wonderful day. Ciao!